This is what it takes to get an off-road F-250 Super Duty stuck. That's forward. That's reverse. Pathetic. What do you think, buddy? Pretty ridiculous. Today, first thing, we're going to be headed out to the shop to pick up the tractor, and then we'll be headed back to the sawmill. Going to do a little bit of cleanup and get started on the white oaks. White oak cut off most of the rotten stuff. Still pretty hollow on this side. Looks like we ended up with 34 inches and about 12 feet. Of dead ash trees on a vacant property over just about 30 minutes away. So just gonna run over there, do a quick tree estimate, and be back on the sawmill. Just got our new saw blades in. These are the double hard Turbo 7 blades. They're supposed to clear the cut much faster, so you can saw a lot faster. And I mean, to me, it seems like, especially with cutting your harder woods, like especially this white oak that I'm cutting on today, it's a lot faster. Actually, I probably don't saw as fast as I actually could, but try to keep it slow, keep everything nice and flat. But yeah, I mean, they definitely do the job. They're pretty durable too. I mean, if you hit something, you're always going to be in trouble. But as far as just holding up through a regular log, you know, especially something as hard as what this white oak is, it seems like I have no complaints with them. They're a little bit more expensive than just a standard blade, but they hold up, and they're definitely worth it in my opinion. sawmill video, I had mentioned that there was an ash job that I went and looked at. We did get that job. It was 2 big dead ash trees and then another section of a separate tree that was hanging over the house in the carport. That job had started out going extremely smoothly. We had a 50-foot lift. It was able to get to almost everything except for the sections that were over the house and carport. So that tree had to be climbed, and I've been working with this guy for quite a long time now, and I've seen what he can do. He's super talented, very, very talented, and it's unfortunate in this situation that there was an accident on the job. And I'm only saying that because I know there are a lot of people out there that think that they can mess with these trees, and I don't think that everybody realizes the risk that's involved, even if you are a professional. So I'm gonna post a couple of clips from that job. I'm not gonna post where the accident happened. Just know he's recovering right now, but he did have a pretty severe hand injury, one from what appears to be crushing, and the second one was from the chainsaw making contact with his hand and his wrist. So we were able to get him down out of the tree, get a tourniquet on it, stop the bleeding, wrap it up. We were about 6 minutes away from the hospital, so we got him there. They kept him overnight, got him into surgery the next morning, and he's back home now. But he's got some recovery ahead of him. But like I said, I'm not gonna make a video about the whole job. I'm not gonna post the injury, but I'm just kind of posting this as a reminder to all those people who consider doing their own tree work. Just don't take the risk. Call a professional.